Hello guys, in this course I will teach you how to make channel on YouTube, how to rank your channel, how to get more views, how to complete the subscribers and watch time, how to do SEO of videos, how to monetize your channel, and last of all how to get paid from YouTube, etc. In this video I am going to show you how to create a Gmail for YouTube channel. Without Gmail you can't create channel on YouTube. Now open Chrome browser and click on the logo button with the 3 dot. Click on Add. And press Continue without an account. Select any color you want and type the name. Let's suppose my channel name is Magnus TV. And press Done. Now this is the new browser and click on the icon and press Turn on Sync. Just click on Create Account and select For Myself option. Fill all the instructions. Let's suppose my channel name is Magnus TV. Type Magnus in first name and TV in last name. Now type your Gmail. I am typing Magnus TV. If it is already taken, so you can add a number in it. Now set a strong password above 10 letters or numbers. After that, press Next. Add your country number. I am not adding because I do not have extra number. But you must have to add the number and extra Gmail for security. This extra number and Gmail can also recover your Gmail password if you've forgotten your password in future. This will also secure your Gmail from hackers. Add your date of birth. And select your gender. Click on Next. Now your Gmail is created. Type Gmail login. Click on the first line. Here you can see your Gmail now. If you want to change the profile photo, click on the logo and click on Add Profile Picture. Click on From Computer. If you have a picture in your computer, so click on Upload from Computer. Select your picture and click on Open. Click on Understood and it's all done. If you learned something new from this video, you are free to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for more interesting videos. I will meet you in my next video, so till now keep practicing to be pro in your life.